Cost control may sound boring, but if you've ever administered enterprise software, you know that costs can quickly spiral out of control. And don't get me started on vendor compliance and licensing audits. Enterprise cost controls are vital, especially when it comes to investing in technology. Let's learn a little bit about cost control.
Tech-Gano, turning tech talk into biz talk.
What is cost control? Essentially, it's the organization's ability to be on top of costs. But it's not just about saving money. Being prudent with spend, requiring escalating approvals, are checks and balances that are important for any large organization. Enterprise organizations need governance for systems and people to ensure runaway queries and rogue managers don't take them off the deep end. Not to mention that many technologies start out as freemium, meaning free before being converted to a premium paying plan. And most organizations chase free open source software without any recognition that open source software is usually free like a puppy. And when I say free like a puppy, what comes to mind are hidden costs, long-term commitments, throwaway technology as the next new shiny wrapper comes along, tech debt, skills gaps, and so much more. Cost control typically starts with the budgeting process. It involves setting targets and standards, measuring actual performance, and taking corrective action to ensure that objectives are achieved and overspend is managed. But there's much more rigor in today's enterprise, and cost control is closely tied to strategic planning and financial management. Strategic planning isn't just about preventing overspend, but also aligning investments with business objectives. It always comes back to business value. As organizations invest in technology, it's important to begin with the end in mind and to know your risk and exposure when it comes to new systems. That's where the rigor of the office of the CFO comes in. The chief financial officer rolling down his organization should be checks and balances embedded across the enterprise to try to avoid any major surprises. Let me give you a real-world story. Now, I won't say which company, but a large technology company released their disclosures. In this situation, one of the company's senior executives sits on the board of directors of one of their vendors. So the company disclosed their spend with that vendor through their financial reporting. You'd be shocked to see their initial investment was departmental level, only about $100,000 or so. But within 3 to 5 years, that spend exploded to tens of millions of dollars. I'm not hinting at any wrongdoing. What I'm highlighting is that technology spend can accelerate based on the system and contract terms, and you need to be able to project costs properly in order to control the costs. In that scenario, my guess is that the trajectory was not anticipated on the front end. Business value from cost control is as obvious as business value from negotiating. It's real money. But organizations need to be careful not to choke the life out of the company through restrictive controls. These baseline educational videos are part of our commitment to our audience. They may seem like common knowledge to proven veterans, but understanding the rigors of the office of the CFO or Chief Financial Officer, that's something that comes with experience. Be sure to subscribe to Tech-Gano. We're here for you, turning tech talk into biz talk. And hey, hope to see you on the other side.
Gano. It's Irish for business.
Tech-Gano, turning tech talk into biz talk.